Morning team. It's Monday, November 14. New week, new money. Economic calendar looks pretty calm this week. There is nothing like crazy. No NFP, no FOMC, no ECB, so no CPI. Still there is some red news. I rarely analyze monthly, but I saw something interesting and I want to mention. I don't base my trade on monthly levels, but I like to analyze because I love technical analysis and I think it's something interesting here. So look at this. We are getting into a monthly bearish order block. That doesn't mean we're gonna go straight down, but well, this is almost flat, not flat, but this is a support level, clearly, like, yeah, 20%, 2000 pips is like support. Support that act once, twice, finally gives up, and now it became a bearish order block. So if this wasn't an M15 level, I would look for shorts in here, okay? But it's now M15, it's monthly, so I just like to keep in mind. So support, 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 turn into resistance. I like to mark them out, and I don't know. If we go a little bit deeper and you start to see reversal on daily, maybe you can think about bearish momentum on a high time frame to go lower. I think overall we still need to go lower, but let's have a look to other time frames. Also weekly is interesting. I mean, this weekly rejection that we marked out, we say that daily was bullish, and indeed it went all the way down in here. Now this level is been fully tested, mitigated, so if we go down a little, I don't expect to hold again if we keep going higher. There is clearly liquidity on top of these highs. Daily, yeah, this rejection acted. Yeah, I mean, this is clearly liquidity. Basically equalize. I mean, I can see a pullback. Look, there is this kind of breaker now, together with fair value gap at discount below the 50%, like a pullback. I can see something like this. But I don't play daily levels. I mark them out and try to use as a confluence for my decisions. This little doji here looks super nice. If we ever go back up here, you know, like something like this. This would be lovely. I mean, pull back in discount, resume rally, little doji, and go down again. Just for fun, to be honest. Right now, daily is still bullish. There is nothing bearish here. If hourly start to shift down, maybe we're gonna have the pullback. So far, I cannot say that we're gonna pull back. So let's go to see hourly charts. H12. I told you Friday didn't trade, but the two fair value gaps that I marked, they try to give some rejection here and here, but momentum was so strong and chart kept going and going and going. So nothing is valid anymore. Little rejection block is offering now reaction, but again, nothing bearish here yet. H4, this is a little bit like the monthly level I marked. This is it was a resistance. I mean, it broke this key structure. Here acted as a resistance. Then they tried to stop price again as a resistance, but turned up as a bullish order block. So if we retrace back down here in this bullish H4, I think is gonna offer a reaction. You know, somewhere here, I think we should bounce, at least a little bounce, you know? If this gives completely up, then there is this H4 origin. But again, hourly is still bullish. H1 is a little bit more interesting because the slow grinding up of Friday, even if it was strong momentum on high time frame, on low time frame it was a little bit a grind up. So it was not like an efficient move like this one for the news. Well, we opened with a volume imbalance, failed and instantly rejected. Here we keep going down on H1. So technically H1 recent flow is bearish. It's printing lower low, lower high, lower low. But we are back in an H1 bullish of the block. And I have to be honest, until this gives up, hourly is still bullish for me. I mean, can easily keep going higher, clean these Asia highs, and flat top, you know, the meme. I mean, right now I don't feel comfortable to short myself, unless we get some premium. At least we go here, in this kind of doji. And I see something on low time frame bearish here, and then I can think about shorts again. It's early still, so I don't trade before the Frankfurt Open. Let's go to low time frame. This curve up, there is liquidity here, no doubt. But as I said, right now we are into this H1 bullish, also in discount. So I don't know. This is a real low. This is an M15 low. Until this gives up, for me M15 is still bullish, the real structure. Then the recent structure is bearish. And when the two structure aligns, I feel more comfortable to play. But if you ask me now, flow is strictly bearish. I mean, okay. So, as I said, I don't feel comfortable to short right now. Either we go up and we look for shorts into this new low now just made it, or if I start to see some bullishness in here, I may look for longs. I don't know if we're gonna move much. There is not many news today. So when there is no news, usually price action is clean. That's all for me today. I speak to you tomorrow.